In this video, I will demonstrate the ease of creating, scheduling, and sharing reports. The default landing page in Blue is the week view. Navigate to reports by selecting the menu item or pressing R on your keyboard. The report screen presents you with the Own and Shared tabs. Own is where you create your own folders and reports, and Shared is where folders and/or reports that were shared with you will appear. In the Own tab, click the New Folder icon to create a folder. Give your folder a relevant name. Right-click the folder and select Add Report. Create a report called Resource Summary by Month to create a report of the total hours logged by each resource during the previous month. Select your preferred style for your report. Click the Save button to save your report. From the Own tab, double-click your newly created report to see it generated in PDF format. To schedule your report, right-click the report and select Schedule from the menu. Select your preferred parameters from the options presented. Then click the Save button. The solid black clock on the report's icon confirms that your report is scheduled. To share your report, right-click the report and select Share from the menu. You can share a report with all users of a selected role, or with selected users. The Shared icon indicates that the report has been shared. In this demonstration, we've shown how effortlessly you can create and organize reports in folders, and the simplicity of scheduling and sharing these reports with Blue. This is just the beginning of how Blue empowers you with efficient and effective reporting. Explore the possibilities and elevate your reporting experience with Blue today. Thanks for watching.